This video shows you how to multiply a fraction by a whole number. What you need to remember is that when you're multiplying a fraction by a whole number, that is the same as working out a fraction of that amount. So this first question, 2/7 times 56, is the same as saying 2/7 of 56. To work out 2/7 of 56, we divide by the numerator, so 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8, to work out what 1/7 is, and as we want 2/7, we times the 8 by 2 to get 16. Let's look at this second example, 10 multiplied by 3/5. Now, we can write that the other way round. Multiplying, it doesn't matter which way round we put the numbers in. So again, that is saying 3/5 of 10. So we divide by the denominator, the 5, so that comes 10 divided by 5 gives 2, and that will be what 1/5 is, and we want 3 of them, so 3 times 2 is 6, so my answer is 6.